What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur, and today I want to show you how I'm going to be able to make about $300 profit with ease. Now, anybody can do this. You do not have to have experience. You don't have to have a lot of money. I'm going to show you how today, on a Friday, I was able to go out to a yard sale, just one yard sale. I'm going to show you all the stuff that I bought, and I only paid $12 for the stuff. And I'll be able to make about $300 profit. So, if you're ready, let's hop in the video and I'm going to show you right now exactly how you can make money as well. So, the first thing that I bought was this InnoTab Max, alright? See it right here. The reason why I'm showing you this is because people give this stuff away, okay? Came with the pen, came with the charger somewhere. I'm not sure where exactly it's at, but has the pen right here, has the manual, has the whole tablet, everything works, looks good. Has even the game, okay, the starter software preview, has that as well, okay. I paid $3 for this, and it looks like it's in almost new condition. Now, if we go and look, all right, now there's this one sold for $10 plus $11 shipping. Let's see, this one right here, $38. There's a best offer. This one sold for $30. This one $39. It's not new, okay, it's pre-owned. This one $30. My guess is that I'll be able to make, after I pay my $3 and then with shipping, it's not a very heavy item. My guess is I should make probably about 20 to 25 bucks from this one item. That's number one. Okay. The second item I bought, this right here. If you don't go out and actively look for handheld games, I do because I sell a lot of them over on Amazon because a lot of them are collectible items. This right here is the Ultimate Bass Fishing by Radica. And it's actually the 1998 edition. Looks like it's in pretty good condition. You can kind of see this rope. It's a little bit off center. I don't think it's that big of a deal. Here's what it's going for on eBay. Okay, this, I probably paid like 50 cents for this because I bought it with a whole bunch of stuff. You're going to see that in a second. Okay, it's probably like 50 cents for this item. And if you look right here, you can see this one is sold on July 9th. Okay, pre-owned for $19.99 plus $15 shipping, so about 35 bucks for this thing. This one, June 24th, that's pre-owned. This one's brand new. This one, about $42, sold on June 20th. Okay, and so you can see they're going for a decent amount of money. If I paid 50 cents for this, and it sells for, let's say, $30, it's another lightweight product. I will probably have to box it up to protect the little fishing pole here, but I'll still probably make about $20 from this one little item. So if you think you need a lot of money to make money online, you don't. Okay, this item right here, $12 or $3 I paid for it, and I should be able to make about $20. Okay, this one right here, okay, paid about 50 cents for this thing, and I should be able to make probably, I'd say about 15 to 20 bucks profit on this thing, probably more than that. But it's simple, it's easy. It's just things that you go out there and look for and buy. Now I want to show you the things that I bought with this. Okay, I paid $2 for this item, for this item, and this item, and this item. All three Boffet Extremes. Put those there. For this one, for this one, and for this one. All right. So all these things, the three black ones, these three white ones, I paid $3, and this, okay, I paid, so these three, those three, and the fishing thing, I paid $2 for that stuff. Now, let's go look over on eBay, see how much it sells for. All right, let me put these white ones back. Okay, we got those. So all these three Boffet Extremes, all these black ones, all right, they're all in pretty good condition. I'm not going to say they're in excellent. There's one in almost excellent condition. That'd be, not that one. This one right here, almost excellent condition. But I'll probably sell them in, good condition at least. They have some scratches, some minor wear, no big deal. Okay, right here, July 20th, July 20th, July 20th. Well, these are different anyway. July 20th right here, $26.99, free shipping. My guess is this is probably going to cost me about $5 to ship it. Maybe a little bit more than that. Okay, so I'll be into it. Probably make about I'd say $15 off every single one of these, okay? Off these 3 black ones. So just the 3 black ones, I'll make about $15 each, 45 total for this Bop It XT, this big one right here. Now, this one looks like it's in almost perfect condition. It has a little sticky something right here, probably like some food, whatever. Okay, this one right here. My guess is I'll probably be able to sell it for about $19 to $20. Okay, it should sell relatively quickly. This one is actually lighter than the black ones, so my guess is it's going to cost between $4 to $5 to ship this one, and I'll probably make about the same. Okay, $14, $15 for the one of these. Now, these 2 Bop It, the 2 Bop It White, okay, edition, not the black one, the white one. You see it right here. They're not selling for a lot of money. My guess is I'll be able to sell these 2 probably for between $10 and $12. These are really light. These are going to be under 16 ounces. So to ship these, it's probably going to cost me about, I'd say about $3 to ship it. Maybe $3 to $4 to ship it. So not bad. And I'll probably make, a couple dollars, $2 to $3 off those. So not a lot, but it is some money. All right. The last item is cash flow. If you've ever heard of it, I highly recommend this game. I actually have one myself. I have a cash flow and I have cash flow for kids. Both are great items to have. So this right here, this is cash flow. You can see Rich Dad right up here, the whole Rich Dad Poor Dad brand. You can see it down here. It's all created by Robert Kiyosaki. It's a great game. Now the person I bought, all this stuff is from one yard sale. All right, all this stuff is from one yard sale. I paid $12 for everything. Okay, and there's still one more item that I'm going to show you. But this item right here, I think I paid like $2 or $3 for it. Now, the nice thing about this is the dad said he went through, they played this game recently, and he said there's all the pieces here. I didn't go back through it and check it, but even if there's not, it still sells for a decent amount of money. Let me show you. Right? So this right here, this is the cash flow game, brand new, selling for probably $60 to $80. Okay, you see down here, pre-owned, okay, complete clean, $50 and then $9 shipping. Let's see, brand new, pre-owned, $30, $12 shipping. I think, look at this, pre-owned, $45, $22 and $22 shipping. My guess is, if everything's here, if it looks as clean as I believe it is, okay, I have opened it, I have looked, and I think it's pretty clean. But as long as everything's here, my guess, and this is a little bit heavier. Honestly, it's a little bit heavier, so it's gonna cost me more. My guess is this is gonna cost me probably like $8 to $10 to ship it, and I'll probably make $35 off this thing. Okay, being kind of not at the top of the price, but I think I should be able to make about $35 profit from that one game. It only cost me $3. And for the last item, this last item is something you've probably seen, maybe at yard sales. You probably have some. You've probably seen it at thrift stores as well. It's ink. All right. All this stuff is, okay, all this is expired ink. Okay, and expired ink still sells. Now this one actually expired in, I think, 2009. So, 9 years ago? So it's pretty old, but it's still valuable to certain people. This one right here, I looked, and it's not going to sell for a lot of money. I think this one sells for like $12, $13 on eBay. It's not going to make a lot of money, but this is probably the least, that is selling for the least amount, but it still sells, all right? And that's not the only one I bought. I bought 11 of these things. Now, all 11 are not the same. They're all different. My guess is the guy got them from an office building or something, but they still are in the packaging. These are like Costco type brands, or Costco style packaging like this. Okay, so my thought is on each one, because I looked at a few, and my guess is I'll make between $11 to probably $13 off each one on average. This one, is kind of the weakest one. But anyway, $11 to $13, let's say I make, and I bought 11 of them, okay? So I'll probably make about $120 from these profit, which is still pretty good, okay? All from one yard sale. Games, ink, board game. Okay, I even bought a pair of Nike shoes. I'll probably sell them. I'll probably sell them on eBay as well. I haven't looked into them, but I paid $2 for these Nike shoes. They look like they're in pretty good condition. If I sell them, I'll probably be able to get like 20, 25 bucks. I'm not going after a lot of money here, but I just want to show you what's possible. All right, these are things that you can find anywhere. I guarantee you, you probably passed one of these at a yard sale. You probably have one in your closet, your garage, maybe the bottom of your kid's toy box. You probably have these things, and it's simply because you don't realize how profitable older games still are. Okay, people pay good money for these because they like to play them. Okay, I guarantee you, go out there and find some of these things. Some Bop It games, any Bop It game, if they're asking less than $3, pick it up. Pick it up because I guarantee you, you will make some money. These might be the exception. Look for the bigger ones, the Bop It Extreme, the Bop It XT, Bop It Extreme 2. The ones that have like a clearer case, they do extremely well. All right. So if you're unsure about what items to buy, I do have a guide. It's a $10 guide, and it shows you 40 profitable items every reseller should know. So if you are new to reselling, you need a little bit of help. It does cost $10, but I do give you 40 profitable items every reseller should know, and I give you examples of what those items are, kind of where you can get them as well. So have any questions, go check that out. If you have any other questions, put your questions down in the comment section below. Hit that thumbs up button if you want more videos on eBay, reselling, Amazon FBA, all that great stuff, and I will start to do more videos on that as well. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, do so now so you don't miss any more of our videos, so that you start making money and more money right now. So I'll see you guys on the next one.